Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Kershan uba sanbor shulai ka kong fenela kum ka kertong MP ke BJP. Sam nong rim yeng ka sorkar 8,000 sauspa apun riu tuli shaki riu shimet bat ki kenhon. Lap kahito kidon belai ki chalan thok hakikam khayi dawyong. Ban ngam jeliu ka jinget Katolik hanong klau bat hakishnong bamarja. Tomantai ne Peit shaki Khubor ke bakhamria. Uba sanbor shulai MLA kaseng BJP na South Shillong constituency rengkat kinong kershan bat ki dekot jong kane kaseng haka arpuh nyau tarik Rymphang kila ai ke jing tho ban kerpat na state president ke BJP Rykman Ji Momin ban jed eka kong Dr. Fenela Lungdo kum ke kertong MP jong kaseng BJP na Shillong parliamentary constituency haka election Lok Sabha 8,000 arpusau. Hawa keran syakilat pathai Khubor uba sanbor ulaong. Hadin berkinong kershan berkinong bu jong u kila syong perkat kila shim kajing menjur ban terwa ya ka Dr. Fenela kum ke kertong ka ba ibit ban ya kon ya ke election MP na kaseng BJP. Shu ulaong ru ka Dr. Fenela ka de ka briu ka badon ka kerdan kum kanong sad an ka batibit bat ka babiang ka jing nang jing stan.
Wamuri I told him. So he said what to do. I have already given my application. So it depends on the need. So I told him, oh, okay, this we will meet. So I'll try to convince him to withdraw. And by heck also I'm going today to request him also to send a letter of support to Dr. Fenela like I have given. Then only by working together. My appeal that we have to, it should be our collective responsibility. We'll work, we can pass together, we'll go and spend our time to meet our candidate, win the election. And once the BJP candidate wins, it means the win of each and every youth, both male, female, boys, girls, and to all the people of Khasi Jylla region, they'll be benefited. They should give BJP a chance. 5 years, you just watch and see. Give a chance and watch and see what is the development, what is the interest you'll be getting by by electing the BJP candidate for the Lok Sabha. Pila, Dr. Fenela ila the statement should be press, but for no doubt, Dr. Fenela he job kum MP. Berarti hangtai kanang sorkar BJP kanya sa ngiru nya lilang man yakran gini issues ka bangiju yakran na kapor itu penelaru ilara abun ke issues kibrang sateng ilakan si press beri media kadlong ka golden opportunity ka kabuk share ya ki Peit Khasi Jylla ki jet ka BJP krang ba kini ki issues mo kini ki jingdawa ki blasem ki blas akut Kemudian suk bahaya Dr. Fenela kam tambi dei long kubi ban iladon me habo Delhi temut lala ke ben pedolong itaki ke boro tehlan pi pa pa degi we ko belai ko kongres san slim NEHU long MP tham yo jing mentoy itu issues ke bagi pajba ke NGOs ke dawa ki sakut san slim chipo slim te ladam pimpa hi de ke BJP pipa degi Lagi kandidat itu rekan bam soat kumju isan sedang sekendong po parlimen. Kadau jet be ke BJP ini orang minister ang tai nora ada gadut balangam.
Hak jinga tai nia hayeng dorbar tauan ke Jylla hak sengi bakut kesin syong dorbar hak arpunyau tarik Rymphang uba arden mele baseo moj unong yalam ke VPP. Ulapa na menteri revenue bakar Shillong yaki kerteng joki brieu baki kenhun ki balayo nongrim jaka na sorkar. Haka jubab uba kermen Shillong ulayathu bakidon hadu 8,000 sauspa arpun riu ki nongrim yeng jaka sorkar balasam shaki riu shimet bat shaki kenhun. Uba kermen Shillong ulayathu baki kenhun ki balayo jaka ki kentup yaki kenhun nyam seng bhalang jaka sa ki jaka ban khayi pateng bat kiwe ki jingdan kam. Hagane kamat yatai la shembentaru da bun ki MLA kan thop yu nong yalam kaliang persha, MLA Maulai, MLA nong Thamai, MLA Mau Ringkeneng bat kiwe.
Persons. I don't have the details, sir. I require notice for this.
Pardon, please. Your last question, I think.
No,
sir.
already 4. Just cause 3.
No, 4. Already 4.
Yes, sir.
Last one.
Okay, sir, I have, because I just wanted to, this is not a question, a clarification on the reply of the minister, sir. Because in the course of his reply, when I asked about the rate, he's mentioned about the encroached land. Encroached land and the rate of those encroached land. But what I want exactly is the lease, the rate of lease of these revenue lands, sir. A very simple question, sir. Before I ask my last question, sir.
Sir, the rate of lease as of now, I don't have it with me, so I misplaced it, so I require notice for this.
So my last question is the rule allow construction of permanent buildings on such government lands, sir?
Pardon, sir?
Is the rule allow for construction of permanent building on government lands, such government lands?
Yes, sir. It's allowed to.
By the lessee.
Yes, it's allowed, sir, to construct building, permanent building.
Kaplan, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. May I know from the Honorable Minister in charge of Revenue, what group of people are entitled to get their revenue now?
There's no group of people, organization, you mean, sir? Any organization, recognized organizations.
No, any group of people, individual or organization.
Yes, sir. Individual also are entitled, even organizations also are entitled, sir.
No, what type of people, sir?
They should belong to the state of Meghalaya, and they should belong to the, should be of Indian, they should be, sir.
So one more question, sir. How much of land has been allocated as revenue land is available in the state?
Sir, the total area allotted to lessee, included government department, is 372.9468 hectares approximately, sir. And the total area available in the government land or revenue plot in Shillong is 381.9468 hectares, sir.
Charles, please.
Sir, regarding the transfer of land by way of transfer or lease, a particular rate is fixed by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue. So may I know, sir, when was the last revision made to ascertain the rate of land as a rate to be paid by the lessee for transfer or lease? When was the last revision made by the Deputy Commissioner Revenue?
I don't have the detail with me, sir, but the revenue collected, I do have the list, but the date for that, I don't have it, sir, as of now. I require notice.
Sir, Honorable Minister doesn't have the reply now. The reason I raise this, sir, is because as of today, there may be transfers being made legally through the department, but the rates which are applicable are almost 10, 15 years old. So thereby, if we revise the rates on a continuous basis, what happens is a fair price is maintained, and even the revenue of the state also improves. Therefore, I would request the Honourable Minister to kindly look into this matter so that when rates are fixed, it is in consonance with the present fair market price.
Yes, sir, point noted.
Kidukot jangkah nyautrep Integrated Territorial Organization hito haka arpuh nyautrek Rymphang kilalet ya kendo ya Director Mineral Resources Pius di Sangma ban pan jingsha ya ka jingmi madan ki shalan thok ki ba ki nong khayi dau yong ki pendon kam ban kit ban ba bat ban de ban the de ki dau yong bat ban shalan shabar Jylla. Kidukot jangkah hito kila yo bat kat tu kat ni teli na kini ki shalan thok na ki trok ki ba kit dau yong. Naki trok baki dekot ke hito kila yo ban, lalap ba wat iki number plate baki te haki trok ki dei ki number thok. Dan naki trok ki bala pendan kam de ki number plate jong ki skuti kila ong. Upius di Sangma Director Mineral Resources ulayat hu haki dekot jong ka hito baka office jong u kam ju ai bor ya no ban shon ni penmi ya kishalan. Dei tang kani ka office bala pen Khubor da ka sorkar ka ba penmi badde ya kishalan. Ula kentu ki dekot ka hito balada kilap ya no ban pendan kam de kishalan thok kide ban pentep marmar saki pulet bat syakani ka office jong u Director Mineral Resources. Upius ula kular ban tokit bat ban twet iki breu ki ba pendan kam de kishalan thok lengba ki kredop check gate ba ka office jong u ka don hakeleng ki jaka.
Ki ong tam klem don klem sign klem don sini ba tinggal ong ban ayu ladalap kum kanika incident di ban ya chubit ki pulit lane di ban ai FIR na mador ditambah gitu ki ong ki klem lap ya ubriu tengolong ladalap kum kanika incident akan nuk persawan ya tu insertion ya kan nuk action akan kum ka kendon jong ka ai tinggal su la clarify ka kata dur
Zaman itu kan kejing om ba.
Chalan thinking ingin don ba authorize ban shna yano ban ayu ba ngam ban shna fake chalan mingkai ka bangi shna ba tingi shna ya ka chalan katkum ka feature bala ai lai da ka sarkar tingi kentu be ki feature baru aga chalan jumi nang tangi don ka QR code, nang tangi enter ya ka details jong ka vehicles. Teng ingin sign bade daki officer apo office aka chalante. Nang tangi don ru ka apo check it ni don kata ka mission. Pangiu handheld device. Ti kata ka handheld device kansa detect lada don kanu ka fake chalan ba penyait rakyat tu kikin scan apa kia scan ya ka chalan kin tip ke the fake ne ke the genuine ne te ki claim la ban transport kanu ke mineral selain ke doyong lengba ke fake chalan ni don lu tha ki exit but entry point kum hamne angnya riboy ni don ga umling di marcheki ni don habors alna namot na ayu akanika ha iska silsi ga dauki ni don ada rata cera ni don ha safai te shagaruls ni don daina dubi gawe sa ga gaswa para anang dalu kita agar wils sora bagli bor sora bat cerakau bat bagli kini ki dia marchekits benidon nang em kum pau mentat haju mentat ngi patla pa bayai ki fake chalan lata ton kanu ka information baton fake chalan bakira chalan ba fake dingin ngal ala ong yakiban informate saka je mat sekit cancer lale wat hangiru pengilaban betha yaki officer jongi bakin le ya ke beton kam tamli ban file FIR lada lap lada detect any illegal transportation
Haduk mentam padan bawan ujur
paton hadu mentan patla
tangga sing hidup bawa.
Orang itu kita wantang betul kita klaim don ki ong ki klaim lap yo brio tenaga kata kalau tersang ban wat evidence kenapa milaban sim ya action dekat pun ke jintong kan kartum ke ai ngam laban immediately ya tu ya pi ngam don ka record kumpa ke kam simpor yang akan lata pi don kam laban ai hadi kam ka revenue bangila collect but kat nungi expect ban collect
Pakat taging ong pinanduk meneng ong baka kani ka salan encounter rekat tu kat ni kena porba kidon kitrok pila i hadian bo lagi ni duyong te let's say kidon hirup ki bak syat tu ne ta shu yeng kai sa srok ki kili kan pia kit yo kit mat ong pia don salan yong dan dala ong ai masin ai maki ki start kali wot ki pet dan dala check pat lap kan ni dan dala lap kan ni ta ngingim dai kita expat nomor man ko por ko sa ko por PCI ba la dangi yo ban bat kita ki kali duyong pulit uang ben ba ke complaints ka DMR ong yi ka DMR ban ay affair ta ka daw ngi ngawan ni hakmat jong director ban pun sungawi kan ni ba kan ni ka dai ka bathok na ka pisha ta hoy Khubor uang ba kan ni ka dai ka fake ta na kaleng jong ki kumba uru ong kumju hi men ne kumba ki na ka por kumba pi ong ma pi ba ai hopulit hendrei ngingla tip syai ba ngindal ai supulir undinai be kan bat undong be ba kadika kamram DMR ta kadaw ngiwan haku to i chim kya ka kam DMR ri haba maki ta ba dik ki ba authorize kan bat ngila I suggestion through yaki ba kham tam haba ye dei ba tu do yong mo tu ba ki ong tau saulak tam uban wan na ko nagalan YouTube do yong ru ngila ya kran hang ni ba ki ong ki application ba kanok lech kan dei be nang government ta du man ta haba ngiling ong lakan noton ula de chalan yu tau duyong na po nagalan yung salan hadu watang stan ro
kecalan kadai jong kana government of Nagaland Department of Mining and Jewelry Nagaland but kichu punan kam tang usurok jong Meghalaya ban export ini duyong support Bangladesh pori Bangladesh tikidon kam approval jong state government leng ba ka tenat mining and geology ti hajing de bekani ku duyong bawan po Nagaland nakaliang jong director ulang ba ki paperwork under process But hadok menta ya tu duyong ba saulak sanpau hajar ton pikimut ban export Bangladesh leng ba ke South Garu Hills hadok menta 4 calan eu namar ki formalities 4 dem ti kin ab tat handuk dade bi formalities kin verify shwa ki documents hatu kita ki documents bawan na po ki calan na po Nagaland kilong eligible ne em kilong qualify ne pet ke criteria jong mining and geology jong sarkar Jylla Meghalaya tat tanghang ta kinsa sign kinsa authorize kinsa verify ba kinsa elat ya kini udah yang bawa napon Nagaland ban yai lang ba usurok jong ke Jylla Meghalaya ban export ini udah siapa ri Bangladesh
ujor hi bamenta kasi kadaya long kumnya ki bonngut kini ki samla ki jongi ki bamdon kam bamdon jam ki brangsang menteri ki pa yadan ya kata mo ki bashim dakan don kuma shpo ka sanlak ban yo kon yu noi u ban yo kata auction jong ni u do yong ka hadien ba kila yo te kila dep siwi kata royalty ki tax kini kata te hadian nang tu pa ki ong ban dala poi hang ne ban pan ni kata ke NOC u director nang kalian jong tre ban sai kat kum ka jing kano kata kristi bagi wan kita ki katto kan ningot kinong khi tangi par ki bas mukhya ban nomor bengi kum ki khon samla o ki donsha ki bashim da karam da kalun tang ban ta ban im ni ga jakpo hendrei ban haban siu pa dia kata ka bamrung chapo state kata ka revenue mo kata ka bisa ka balong outsource ka bahaban sign de kita ki high level ki ba shudong tang ki high authority ki kabadika black money ta kabamdon kot kisla ban hand over ta kum kata ngi sungkhya ngindal awan hang ni kana kaliang jong u pat binai be ya kata ka alej lene kata ka jing keno da ki keno tanga kan tui gitu ki kon samla ki badon ya kata ka ba kila deble kata tax ni kata lej khamat jong pan ki jing shan namar hangi ukran dok mei yo le se un palai no ne si pisia tang kata habia de bukan ka fake chalan ta daw ngoi phi mas ni yo hapok ti jungi ngi lek kli be no director ngi ong be kani de ba phasna ma phi ta nakaliang jong u phila ro mani kli u menta u wong be em ngi hlem phasna ma ngi tanga ong yu haba pin sna taga ai pat ka nakaliang ko jong phi ka ba phin le tu ong kin sa budian bat kin sa pha inquiry pan budian ban lap jikin ne bat nang ni se khamaru lada don kinu ki chalan ki ba isan khamat kila ni kuntu director le ne ki staff jong di amat khanang ban pin sakhi ba kedai sya ka chalan ka ba sya pat kanu ko ba
Kipa driunget ka balang Catholic hanong klau, ka shnong ka bahap ha ka jing pet jing kmi ka parish rang blang. Kila penlong ya ka lumpung jing hikai halor ka pang. Ka nong rim jong ka jinget Catholic. Na ka benta ki long kmi, long kpa, bat ki kuon samla ki ba na ka ni ka shnong, bat ha ki shnong bamarjan. Ya ka ni ka lumpung layalam da Reverend Padar Edmund Lakra, Padar Rangba, bat Reverend Padar Jeffrey Karkongor, Padar Sendrop. Ki bala penmenta ya kamas bakut ke bala show ya ki mensim jong ki pa driunget ki bala yo benta ha ki jinglen yang baro ka jing thumu jong kane ka lumpung kalong ban ai jing hikai ka bas kem bar ka ba jiliu ya ka jinget jong ki pa ba Catholic ha ka ni ka than ki ba ker saudong na ki wei pat ki jat nyam ki ba ya kendo bar ya trekam man la kasngi ya kani kalumpung lapan long haka singi sajan bat kasingi ublay kata haka arpusau bat arpusan trik Rymphang kipa jrunget Catholic kilawan syakani kalumpung da kajing shongshit bat jing rehem mensim kabajur uba kensa yaw knya President Seng Rangba Nongston Diocese rengkat kiwei pat kiriu khmat jong kani kaseng ki sistar kilawan ban pensngan bat kilasem benta da ka mensim kabadap da kajing kemen Uba Charles Paliar berkakong Elizabeth Shangrit kishi kurim kiba sandur yala kai longyeng longsem kaba scam kila long kiso pen inam bapaka nagabenta ki longyeng longsem Catholic haka diocese baro kawe kajing em jong kini kishijur kalong kawe na kinuksa bala benana namar kide ki sembai baklan jong kabalang hapadeng ki parasnong ki babut ya ki we pat ki jinget Uba kensa yaw knya ula batai syai bat sani bha ha ka jingle niam mani sakramen halor kapang ka jing ba mensim ba ujisu ula ai pateng ban penklanya ki pa riunget lengba ka met bat kesnam jong u ha ka dur jong u kpu bat kawan ka bangi khot it ka eucharis bakhut hadin kini ki jing hikai bat ki jingle niam ba ya kendu mensim bat ublei ha kini ki arsngi ki pa riunget kiralet phai shala yeng la sem Kishnong ki thau da ka jing rehem mensim bat da ka jinget Catholic ka bas kem triang ban betengnya ki kam ki jam ba man kasngi ha ka jing em jongki
Jylla, lingba ka gospel, utrai Jisu, ukot yemi ba.
Eutung Lazarus tomino na rumjingta, Lazarus basmau tum imbiang umi na rumjingta. Yang tu kun bamarwe jong kekente hanan, balana ha ka krong banglet bang takno baulaya. Jisu pensange wong tu kena, ko kun to yang to kena wa imbiang. Ya ke kunjung Jairus kabalayat kebalayam untuk Jisurung to kamrahung kokun to kino kato ka kena ka India ka aryang ka pangkewin ya kato ka duriau Galilea ba kisendang ka ting to katakta Jisuang to jajai ka jajai kiba malla Jisuang to pet kira pet kiba kelut wang toyos ngau kira yosnya Kibom nang keren wong, tu pli, tu keren no, kira keren, sikanti na ukalalo. Tekaju, haba wong kani kalong ka metsona, kalong sisa akunta. Haba wong kani kalong ka samsona, kalong sisa akunta. Nama ulung ubelay. Ubala penlong yang ke barok, tak wong tolong. Haba tahu ke petay kamarang tolong ke cinsya. Lalong, tolong kasih. Topene kerana ke jin syai ke jin dum. Lalong ke baru. dia bawa kani kalau kamet cuma tutik kalau sisa kunda umkan kaya abo kani kalau kesan cuma tutik kalau sisa kunda umkan kaya nama mau penjenai ya ke kepada kan ya ke departemen juu di Israel pateng undai ha katu kapasi kebon kita mereka pakai katu kecinggan yang ujung kecing
Bada kitu ki Khubor ngla poi shaka bakut tat hadu bangin daya syambiang khublai shibun.